Carpet and seats. Carpet and seats. New carpet kit. Cleaned up upholstery. Still waiting for backrest and the bottoms for the 2 front seats from the seamstress. Hopefully get those soon, but I thought I'd start getting the carpet in, get the seat belts in. Kind of see that rear carpet in the back. So far so good. It's cold, so it's not the most flexy for the carpet, but it's still going in. And I have some of that same headliner dampener that I use on the ceiling, the roof down there. Seat belts. Forgot to start filming this, but putting in the front carpet today. So I put the old one on top, made some little cuts where I reckon everything's gonna come through. I kind of traced the old one on top. I'm just going around now, slowly putting it into place. Look mint. So now I'm going onto that side. There's the old nasty carpet, so I'm using it as a template. I'm just working on these little notches. There's a hole through there. And looks like there's some notching going on here as well. All right, getting the carpet all set in. Looking pretty good. Just need to make some cuts and adjustments there. And then get these panels put in. We're to that side now. All right, center console back in. Need to fix this, but that's in. Took longer than it should have, but oh well, keep going over there now. It's on my camera. Interior coming together.